Hey guys, welcome to another video by Simply Learn. In this video, we will learn all about JavaScript and write our first program using this language. So without further ado, let's begin. What's next for you? Now we'll start by understanding what JavaScript actually is. Then we will get to know why we'll write our first program. JavaScript is a dynamic computer, meaning one piece of code which in any system regardless of operating. Commonly used as a part of web page type JavaScript. Has used in many industry fields such as web development, mobile app developers as this technology to understand JavaScript better. Now let's go to our text editor, that is VS Code, and here let's open a file. And now you can type in your code here. So we will have to add the JavaScript to the HTML code and then print out the word hello world on the browser window. Right, that's our objective. So let's add the HTML boilerplate in this style. So let's type in H. And then next we have the body tag. So within the body tag, we can add the script tag to insert the JavaScript into HTML. And then in the script, we call the JavaScript function, that is document.write, which types the string to our HTML page. We're going to save it, say on our desktop, and call it index.html. And now once you save it as an HTML file, you can see that the colors are red. And now let's go ahead and execute the file on script. Then when you
Hey, it's Simon, SuperSimple.dev. So we all know by now that software engineers make a lot of money and the job is very comfortable and everything's all great. But you might be wondering, how do you get into this industry? So I want to share with you the 3 ways that everyone gets into the software engineering industry. This industry is growing rapidly and there's a lot of demand for these kind of skills. So even if you don't have any experience, don't worry about it. It's a lot easier to get in than you think. So the first way to get into software engineering is to go to college.
I set myself a challenge to go from a minimum wage earning call center job to being a high earning software developer within 6 months. This is all without a computer science.
Zimbabwe, we were really poor. Remember that one?
Fastest way to become a software developer 2021 edition. This time we're going to focus on an even faster way to become a software developer this year in 2021. If you're new here, I went from a broke English teacher to making $150K at Uber in SF, and then leaving it all behind for my freedom, becoming a remote freelance developer. So here's how this video is going to work. First, we're going to talk about why would you want to become a software developer fast? What's the rush? Well, we all need